Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Barbie style makeup look. If you're interested in how I got this eye makeup with a lip combination, please stay tuned and let's get started. Off camera, I've done my foundation. Right now, we're going to be focusing on color only, and it's Barbie makeup look. That's why we're going to be going with a lot of pink shades. I'm going to start with my BH eyeshadow palette, and it has a row of blushes. I'm going to use this bright pink color. It is soft, and let's go with my fluffy brush. Pick this on, tap it off, and get in the area of my cheekbones and a little bit over my temples. I'm going to get a little bit in the area of the outer corner. We're going to do the same thing for my left side. And of course, I did not forget about my nose. I'm going to do this with the tap motions. Let's do a highlighter. I love MUA Makeup Academy highlighter, and it's going to be perfect for the look because it's given silver undertone. I'm going to use my e.l.f. brush, and we're going with circular motions on top, and you can tell it is super pretty. One of my favorite steps, I'm using Estee Lauder. This is translucent soft glow powder, but if you don't have anything like this, another recommendation is e.l.f. contour palette. They have very weird highlighter that's not going to give you any crazy highlight like beaming through, but it's perfect to get this over your face, and it's going to have similar effect as this loose powder from Estee Lauder because it's pretty expensive. Let's set my face with Essence. Keep it perfect fixing spray, hydrating with hyaluronic acid. Use Beauty Blender to pat the powders. Let's use Makeup Revolution contour palette and baby pink shade. This one is going to be my cream blush. Ooh, love the color. It is perfect for the look. I'm going with my cream formula highlighter on top. One more really cool thing to add is this Essence pigment. I think with the Barbie style makeup look, I need a little bit more glow. Well, for my eye makeup look, I will start with an eye primer, and we need very bright eye makeup look. It's not going to be bright, but I want to emphasize my pink colors and white eyeshadows first. Tap it off. Get the color on. Let's use my white eye pencil. What I want to do is add white eyeshadows in the inner corner, and then this baby pink color over my entire lid. That's crucial. I have a tiny brush. Let's use the brighter pink color from the same palette and cover my under eye area. I will focus the shade over my crease and do a little bit of a cut crease in the outer corner with a little bit different brush. This one is tiny but great for the crease moment. Picking up the same shade and focusing primarily the color to my brow bone. I don't want to get it lower than the crease. Now let's do a small sketch. I think it's going to be much better to do this makeup look with eyeshadows first, and then later we're going to switch to an eyeliner. Let's use black eyeshadows from this palette. Tap it off, cover, and I need some kind of crease moment, and I want to link my liner with a crease. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start from the outer corner, and I want to try to create a very thin line. I will go back with this color, following the shape of my crease, and always blend this out with a finger. I want to make sure that we have the line connected to my eyeliner. So we're kind of getting the eyeliner shape, and we're going to connect both of these and blend out with any leftovers of my pink. Now I guess we can work with an eyeliner. When we have more or less decent line, I'm going to start with Makeup Forever eyeliner, and I'm going to use a little bit different brush. The one from Catrice is so much more handier than the one from Makeup Forever. I want to let it dry. I'm going to add a little bit more of this pink powder under my line. Freaking gorgeous. Let's scrape off the powder. You can do this with a spoolie, something like this. I'll add my remover, small tiny drop. Let's mix the powder with the remover. Then let's see how it's gonna look. You have to be extremely careful. guess it's more or less dry, and now we're going with the same color as I used for my crease on top of my black line. Okay, I'll use the plum eye pencil over my waterline. Add similar pink color that we used to get over my crease. With my essence pigment, I will go over under my eye area. Inner corner, maybe just a little bit right here. I'm getting my powder under my eye. Cone blushes with Essence of Crazy Volume Mascara. I usually do one coat of my Essence mascara and then one more coat of Essence of Crazy Volume Mascara, waterproof. And let's finish everything with a lipstick. I have really old but super on theme lipstick. This one is from Maybelline 940. It is Matte Rose Rush. We're gonna start with the lipstick on. Let's get a little bit of lip pencil. Okay guys, and this is the final result of my Barbie style makeup look. It's girly, it's pink, I have a little bit of black. The doll has the crease makeup look. Let's say cut crease makeup look, but it's up to you guys, whatever you like and prefer. I'm not a huge fan of the all pink makeup looks with this bright lipstick, but sometimes it's really cool to play with makeup and create something that bold and maybe that pink. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think about this makeup look, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.